All right, here's something unique for us to have anyway at California Cars. A 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. Great family vehicle, really super clean too. It's only got 24,000 miles on it. It's you know, white's got the black interior with the suede inserts, really comfortable. It's got the little, I think it's a 6.5-inch screen with AM, FM, satellite, Uconnect with the Bluetooth, so you can talk on your phone or stream your music from your phone through the stereo. Kind of cool. Got a bunch of little compartments here and there, and it also has armrests here on the chair, so it feels like you're kind of driving a mini motorhome. Very comfortable. They have a 3.6 liter motor, 24 valve. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Even has like a Steptronic thing where you can shift it with the dash shifter there. But really super clean, well cared for, low mileage. Obviously adult owned. Not too many kids own minivans, but you know. But really super sweet. All the knobs and switches and vents, everything is as it was brand new. It's got steering wheel controls. Also has tilt telescopic steering. It's got 17-inch wheels on there. Tires are like new. Even the interior's got no nicks or chips, or kind of hard to find anything wrong with it. It's got low miles, so that's one of the reasons why for a 4-year-old vehicle. It still has the remainder of the 5-year, 60,000 mile drivetrain warranty, so I think it's just engine and trans. But overall, you know, it's got everything you would want. Even has a backup camera when you put it in reverse. So we're gonna pull over up here. We'll take some pictures of it for you. Here's a really nice little family cruiser. It's a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. So it's probably not quite the top of the line, but pretty close. It's got all the options you want. It's got dual air. It's got suede insert seats, power seats. It's got Uconnect, which is the thing with the Bluetooth and the AM, FM. And it also has Sirius capability. Very clean. It looks good in white. You know, you can leave it dirty. It doesn't even look dirty, although it's clean right now. It's got these really nice factory alloys on there. We've got the window sticker for it. We have all the service records. Doesn't have much. It's only got 24,000 miles on it, but it was well cared for. All the rubber trim, no bumper damage. No, doesn't even look like there's any stone chips in this car. Super nice, super clean. Open the door for you here so you can see inside. Also has the roof rack. Nice looking interior. I mean, the black and tan combination is, I think it's kind of sporty and cool. Nice door panels. Lots little compartments everywhere. You know, you got a little sliding compartment here with your USB or your, you know, little charging ports. Little storage there for your coins. AC controls. There's that little screen there. It's also USB and auxiliary port on that with a backup camera. Then now you got your power doors here. You can open up the left door. You can open up the right door. You see all the way through. And these seats all fold down into the floor like a cargo truck. You could put a piece of plywood back here. Not that you'd want to do that, but if you like to do crafts or like to go to Home Depot, you put down some plastic on the floor so you don't hurt the carpet, you can put stuff in here. It's pretty cool. Great little family van, everything you'd want, well cared for, low mileage, so it'll last you a lifetime. All right, here's the power plant in the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. Like I said earlier, 3.6 liter, they're 24 valve, good little running little engines. I had one of these years back. I had the Chrysler version, Town & Country. Never had a problem with it. Plenty of power. Has a 6-speed automatic transmission, so it's good for going up grades. Never lacked power at all. All stock and sando under here. Nothing dirty or oily. Just well cared for. We'll go ahead and start it up real quick. Got the little screen there, a little Dodge screen. There's your gauges. It's got a little menu too you can go through. It tells you tire pressure and how much fuel you have left. Even got an economy mode switch there. Traction control. And like I said earlier, tilt telescopic wheel. And even got a key with all the, you can open the doors with it and unlock it and that sort of stuff. Nice and quiet. Most of my videos involve a hot rod, you know, revving the engine, listen to it, but this is quiet, like you want it. Guess I should shut the door here. Even these back windows open up. They're little vented windows. They're power as well. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name's Rich. Happy to go over this van with you if you need it for the family. And like I said, I got records, window sticker, books, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.